Beautiful Harley Davidson Breakout 2024. Um, this one for the right side, you should be careful about installation because they have a left and right. It's a super easy installation. It's a good thing. You can take it out to home with yourself if you want it, or you can leave it on the back. You can lock it. It has a lock inside for safety. I'll show you then inside. And it has a lock for the rifle and keep your stuff inside safe. Super easy. Just one click. Left side. Super easy. It's a tough. It's a good thing the doors are open outside. 6'2". I was wondering this one is gonna be give me a limited spaces on the saddle, but it's not. If you see here, I'm super comfy still and nothing touching me from the bags because I faced before with some bags. When you install it, it's going to give you limitation, but nothing here. Even though for the rear passenger, nothing is going to be bothering. Super cool, easy to install, easy to uh, take you home, pretty safe. It's a lockable, it's super heavy, good material, not super heavy, it's light material, but super heavy, pretty spacious. You have extra space here on both sides. Okay, if you could please bring the camera. My son is helping me. Yep, it's here. I'm going to show you. Come here, come closer, please. Yeah, from this side, you can see just with this or these latches, you can take it out. You guys can ignore the other voices. Okay. That's a good thing. And easy. If you see here, you can see the key inside too. It has a compartment for your cell phone charger or any other stuff you have it. The keys, anything you want to put inside. And again, super easy for installation. Everything is cool. The perfect thing is good price. It's under $300. And shipping in coming with a very nice package. I took a picture of the package. I'm appreciative of the Vikingbags. You can see that somebody writer designed this one because they thought about the product. They thought about this product. Let me show you closer. See that mount? It's pretty far from the body. It's good distance and give you some spaces if you want to install anything regarding to CC bag or rest for the passenger. See both sides. They have a keys, compartment, same metal built inside. You can lock it. I love it. That's super cool. Good job, Vikingbags, and keep doing good designing. Hopefully, you will design for the many more coming or new motorcycles in the market. Have fun, guys, with these amazing products.